In the name of Allah. My name is Mahdi Rahmani, and I want to present IR-LPR paper for you. Introduction. Automatic license plate recognition, ALPR. In recent years, automatic license plate recognition, or ALPR, also known as the automatic number plate recognition, ANPR, has been a frequent topic of research. ALPR refers to the process of using artificial intelligence methods to recognize the characters in the vehicle's license plates. ALPR system, which can be found in many recent approaches, consists of three main steps: license plate detection, LPD, character segmentation, CS, and optical character recognition, OCR. There are still some challenges in building an efficient ALPR system, such as the occlusion, various license plate layouts, and language, noisy or dirty input image, different size and width to height ratios of the license plates, and a variety of illumination and weather conditions. Applying a right method for each of the mentioned steps is a necessary task to deal with this challenge with the least possible complications. ALPR challenge. In this section, I say about a challenge that an ALPR problem faces with. Number 1, different weather conditions. Number 2, light radiation angle. Number 3, different distortions. Number 4, the similarity of individual characters. Number 5, tiny and new characters. Number 6, special plates. And why LP dataset is important. One of the main challenges of having a good ALPR system is having a good dataset that not only has a large number of images but also includes images with different angles and distances under different illumination, day and night, and different conditions. There are not many datasets for Iranian license plates. The dataset introduced in this paper can be a good one for many academic or business purposes, such as the vehicle identification, automatic toll collection, and road traffic monitoring. IR-LPR dataset description. Iranian LP format. There is a standard format for license plates in Iran. Iranian license plates consist of two parts. The left part provides a unique string of numbers and characters for the car, consisting of 2 digits on the left and alphabetic character in the middle, and 3 digits on the right. The range of digits in this section is from 0 to 9 and characters for the middle section are selected from 26 alphabet letters. The rightmost section consists of a 2-digit code which refers to the city where the vehicle owner lives. As it's shown in this figure, provide private cars for people with disabilities have a feature symbol instead of the Farsi character. Additionally, free trade zone license plates have a different width to height ratio. This kind of license plates consists of two sections. The leftmost section is blue and holds the free trade zone's logo. The rightmost section is white and contains just 5 numbers alongside their identical English. And our real Iranian LP dataset. The IR-LPR dataset has been collected from 2018 to 2022. This dataset has been photographed and edited by at least 55 machine learning students at the Malik Ashtar University of Technology. Most students use their cell phone cameras to take pictures. The resolution of some images was too high, which in addition to the large volume was not suitable for use in models. For this reason, very large images have been resized to a maximum height of 1280 pixels and a maximum width to width of 1280 pixels. Students started labeling images with our own labeling software, but then the label IMG tool was used for this purpose. The IR-LPR dataset contains a total of images. This table shows the details of this dataset based on night or day and terrain validation tests. Also in this figure, the distribution of LP types in the IR-LPR dataset can be seen. In terms of LP location and size, this figure can be drawn. As shown in this figure, the scatter of LPs in the image is often in the middle. However, in other locations there were also significant numbers of LPs. LP size scatters also indicates that most LPs have a standard size for real-world detection. In addition to the main dataset, we have prepared a dataset of LPs for the LP recognition task. This dataset contains 27867 LPs. You can see examples of these datasets in this figure. And our dummy Iranian LP datasets. As I mentioned in the previous section, sometimes some types of LPs have not been photographed or have been photographed poorly. For this reason, the solution of producing dummy LP data was chosen to solve this problem. In this figure, you can see the section of this dataset. Evaluate the dataset. IR-LPR pipeline. The pipeline in this figure can be considered to increase the accuracy of detection and recognition. A. Pre-processing. This step itself can include two steps of generating various data for the training stage and increasing the image quality using various image processing methods for the test stage. B. LP detection. License plate or LP is an object, therefore you using the methods of object detection in the image including YOLO, fast CNN, SST and Disacron2 can be used for license plate detection operation. C. LP recognition. After detecting the LP, it is time to recognize or read the LP. At this stage, two general methods of image processing or deep learning can be used. D. Post-processing. LP recognition and reading operation may not always be accurate. Low image quality, the presence of noise, and so on are the influential factors at this stage. For this reason, it is necessary to use additional information to increase reading accuracy. LP detection and recognition. We use two methods to detection and recognition. Number 1, YOLO version 5. YOLO version 5. YOLO is a state-of-the-art object detector that can perform object detection in real time due to its speed and accuracy, in which divides image into a grid system. YOLO version 5 is different from all other prior releases. As this is a PyTorch implementation rather than a fork from the original darknet. Number 2, Detectron2. Detectron2 is Facebook AI Research's next generation software system that implements a state-of-the-art object detection algorithm. Detectron2 includes a variety of models like FastRCN. It provides support for many different computer vision tasks, including object detection and instance segmentation. Detectron2 is built using PyTorch. After training the model, it is time to evaluate. We perform the license plate reading operation in 2 stages. For this reason, we use for evaluation to evaluate the detection of LP from the background and also the detection of character from the LP. You can see results. Also, to evaluate the accuracy of the read license plate, the 100% accurate LP reading and Levenshtein ratio are used. So we thank all the students of the Malik Ashtar University of Technology in Iran who have helped us in preparing this data set. The number and variety of our data sets is so high that it can be used for many different purposes. So thank you very much.